Open your Store One dashboard and click on the Configure button of the Recently Viewed Products addon. First, enable the addon. In the Settings tab, you can customize the section title, choose the HTML heading tag, or hide the title completely if needed. Under the Layout section, you can control the number of products to display, set the number of columns, and adjust the column gap for proper spacing. The Order By option allows you to arrange the recently viewed products based on viewing activity. Next, move to the Display tab. Here, you can choose where the recently viewed section will appear, such as on the single product page, cart page, or checkout page. You can also adjust the loading priority to control the display position on the page. A shortcode is also provided in this section. You can copy and paste this shortcode anywhere on your site, including posts, pages, widgets, or page builders, to display the recently viewed products section manually. In the Design tab, you can customize the appearance of the section. You can enable the slide layout and then set the number of slides to show. You can then enable the autoplay and navigation buttons. Then you can change the color of the heading also. On the right side, you can see the live preview of the recently viewed product section. This helps you get an idea of the result of your customization. After completing the setup, click on Save. Now, let's see the final preview. The recently viewed products section displays the products that customers have previously opened or visited on the store. These products appear inside a slider layout, allowing users to quickly browse through their recently viewed items and easily return to products they are interested in. Thank you for watching this documentation walkthrough.